Welcome back. Now, if you use the desktop programs made by TechSmith called Camtasia or Snagit, you probably often upload to Screencast.com, which is a hosting site for either video or for screenshots. And the Gutenberg editor gives you an embed integration for Screencast. So what you're going to do is you're going to click Add Block, and then you're going to start typing in Screencast. You'll see the embed code in this box, and you'll click that button. And then you're going to see this interface. Now with Screencast, you can place in the URL of a video. In this case, we will embed this video. When we do that, that video will show up inside of this page, and all the user will have to do is to click this play button. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, we're going to get rid of this block. We're then going to go back and add a new block. We're going to click Screencast again, and this time we're going to go and get the URL of a screenshot. Once we have that URL, all we'll need to do is to place it inside of the dialog box, and then click Embed, and then our file will be embedded. And then, of course, we can manipulate the content based on the buttons. And in the properties, we can then resize for smaller devices. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.